blow.
We need to blow them. Do you let them burn?
Let's get swords. No, we don't.
What do you have? Max, what is that?
Snow.
Who's inside? Who's inside that?
Nemo.
Nemo's in there?
Snow. Snow.
There's snow in there too?
Snow. Going down. Like we will see.
What's that from?
We make Gasco.
Oh yeah, there you go. That's good.
We're not going to hug that.
Do you think you need a snow globe with New York City in it? Do you like the snow?
This is right. I like doing
Hey, whose is that, bud?
too much me make Gasco.
No, what do you have there? Can you put that back? I think that's so cute.
One more. That's a shit. Smash gone. Smash gone is 1090.
Why is the train wearing a necklace?
Why? What's this? Why need to? I need to this next stop. In the seal box. Oh my.
What's that?
No cheese.
No cheese? All right. It's almost time to get your jacket on, bud.
No.
Yeah.
I like it.
What? Max, what is that?
That's so true.
That's the dinosaur train? Does the conductor have a name? Max.
Summer's time.
Hey, Max, what's the conductor's name?
Mom.
What?
Night train.
You like the night train? Is there a conductor? Does he have a name or is he... Uh-oh.
I'm going to see. He was going to see. And I fishing. And that's race. I know it. We're going into it. Go. Go. Into it. Oh no, I died. Dance.
Alright, I gotta get it. Jake, are your shoes on? Okay, tell me time to brush teeth.
I'm jumping at others.
George is a monkey, and sometimes
It's almost time to brush teeth.
can't do.
Good morning, Jacob.
Good morning.
By following his
Hey.
directions.
Good morning, David.
Morning.
Play a game.
Are you taking a video?
Something, and Sarah's going
I don't want-
to try to figure out what I'm thinking.
Hey, good morning. No, no, no.
Love is little lamp
Jacob's down.
right up there. And she's going to ask questions about where it is.
Hi, Max.
Is it on this side of the room? Yes. If we started with a big area,
Ooh.
and Sarah
How about the
broke it into
TV?
little pieces. Is it below
Can't
here?
really see it.
No. And then she got closer and closer. Is it on any of the shelves? Yes. Is it above the shelf?
Alright, it's almost time for you to brush your teeth, bud.
Is it next
It's
to
over.
this?
Is it? You want to turn it off?
Lantern?
No.
Yeah, you found it.
You know, Curious George loves learning about math. So let's play a little math game together. Ready? I have 5 cars dinosaurs. And I'm going to take 2 of them away.
Why are you
Is it-
making a video?
How many cars do I have left?
For Max is gonna go see
Great job.
somebody about his speech next week, and we're supposed to get 10 minutes of video of Max. So I'm just getting some now, and then I'll probably get some later.
Up next, it's in the Science Kid.
Curious George is made possible by viewers like you and by Rainforest Cafe.
All right, I'll do a little bit to do. Can you get your toothbrush? What do you say, bud?
Thank you, take up.
How many are there? Is there just 1 or 2? There were 3? Got 3 ABCs as a bonus.
That's your mom.
You're silly.
No, your mom. No.
Yes, David. It's over.
I love dancing.
It's in the Science Kid on PBS Kids.
What do you have there?
Everything about everything. He investigates.
Which one is that?
Inquires. Have you ever seen a chart?
Max, which one is that?
The Minkus got 2.
Oh, yeah?
It's Sid the Science Kid, weekdays, only on PBS Kids. See you later, scientists.
Is it ready? Ready to get your jacket on?
Mom, hi, mommy.
Hello. Thank you. Oops, ouch.
Hi, mommy.
Hi. Okay, you ready? Get your jacket on?
Mom,
What, Sophie?
concentrate.
All right, mister, it's time to get your jacket on. Sophie, can you please wait? Did we just have a train wreck? What happened?
We have
Max, what happened?
concentrate.
What happened to the dinosaur train?
You go ahead.
Max, what happened to the dinosaur train?
It's a dinosaur train.
What happened to it?
It's a dinosaur in the middle of the train.